Oh wow, 2018. Oh wow. 348, 344, 309, 194, American View,
All doors open here in Washington. All doors open. Double check your seating area and open luggage compartments. Make sure you have all personal items. Washington, D.C. Final stop coming up.
Ooh.
Pretty awesome.
Oh well. Mississauga. Oh wow, they are a little legacy fleet. 2016. Well, how in the hell you? I'm just missing a sill on the opposite side. Oh, and that's where they saw the VRE trains down there. Ooh, whoa. Oh, this is Mark 26. Oh, wow.
Alright.
7794.
It's really hard to get out.
Once again, just a few moments. Final station stop, Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. Union Station. Final stop coming up. You requested a red cap here in Washington.
Always lower down on my
If
head.
you requested a red cap here in Washington, please stay by. They will get to you. Make sure you let the passengers detrain. Bring the red cap to you. Final station stop coming up, Washington.
Put on my head. That's what I tell you. Put on my head. Wait, got it. You got it.
Out. If I was gonna try.
Sorry. It's okay. A lot to get through. Seriously. Thank you so much. Of course. Just need to be a little bit
Okay. K Tower. Also known as Washington, Union City, and Ivy City. Oh wow, they did a lot. Hey. Oh whoa, we're pacing like.
She's coming this way, you're going that way, so I don't know. What?
Ooh, I hear a motor. Hi. How you get there? A lot of MARC trains. You know, looks like we're the only Amtrak. So it's live. So many MARC trains. Emergency Zone 3. People actually up there. K Tower. There's full of God. And there's 3. Chargers. 85, 86, 82. Six 54. 609. That way. Alright, I gotta hurry, Dave. Gotta open my bag inside.